Are you looking for a silent keyboard for gaming? In this video, I will show you the 5 best silent keyboard for gaming based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Pulsar PK001 Lunar Alloy. Made with ergonomic design steel series matte, black anodized aircraft-grade aluminum alloy top frame for increased structural support. Tankless compact high-quality design gives you more room for your mouse movement. Dust-proof mechanical Cherry MX Red equivalent linear switches. Quiet sound, smooth press feel, and fast action with minimal resistance without a tactile bump. The 4th product on the list is the Pulsar Light Up Quiet Gaming Keyboard. 104 keys full-size corded keyboard with numeric keypad and multimedia keys. Shortcuts let you do more with less efforts during gaming. Unique high scissors switch allow for quiet and efficient typing, excellent for your daily use, especially compared to a noisy mechanical keyboard. Quiet, but provide comfortable and smooth typing and clicking. Easy to read keys take a prominent position on your desk and will stay there 24/7. The 3rd product on the list is the KLIM Chroma wireless gaming keyboard. With its super low response time, the KLIM Chroma is among the very best wireless keyboards available on the market thanks to its fast membrane keys. Using it is as easy as plugging in the USB receiver and flicking a switch under the keyboard. You spend hours on your computer every day, typing away. This keyboard gives incredible value for its price, so you can improve your productivity and gaming experience without breaking the bank. The 2nd product on the list is the HyperX Alloy Core RGB. Signature light bar and dynamic RGB lighting effects, so you can personalize your battle station and bring it to life with 6 preset LED lighting effects. Quick access buttons for brightness, lighting mode, and game mode to quickly adjust brightness, lighting profiles, and enable game mode with the touch of a button. Durable solid frame for long-lasting durability and stability. Keyboard lock mode to secure your station while away from keyboard. Compatible with Windows 10, 8.1, 8, 7. The 1st product on the list is the KLIM Chroma Silent Keyboard. The KLIM Chroma was conceived to be as quiet as can be, especially compared to a noisy mechanical keyboard. With a response time of only 2 milliseconds, the KLIM Chroma is among the very best keyboards available on the market thanks to its fast membrane keys. We have used high-quality materials and components in its construction to ensure it works flawlessly for many years. All while keeping a very affordable price to give you the best value for your money. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.